Photosynthesis, carbohydrate synthesis. The synthesis of carbohydrates in animal cells always implies precursor having at least three carbon, all which are less oxidized than the carbon in carbohydrates. Plants and photosynthetic microorganisms, by contrast, can synthesize carbohydrates from the carbon dioxide and water, reducing carbon dioxide at less expense energy and reducing power furnished by ATP and NADPH that are generated by light dependent reactions by photosynthesis. Plants can use carbon dioxide as the sole source carbon atom required for biosynthesis of cellulose, starch, lipids, and proteins. The main aim to achieve the glucose. So let's study with the C5, that is the 5 carbon atom compound achieved from the carbon dioxide assimilation. Green plant contain in their chloroplast unique enzymatic machinery that catalyze the conversion of carbon dioxide to simple organic compound. And that compound most of biosynthetic activities in plant occur in plastids, the family of self reproducing organelles bounded by double membrane and containing a small genome that encodes some of the proteins. Carbon dioxide assimilation occurs in three stages. The first stage is in the assimilation of carbon dioxide into biomolecules, is a carbon fixation reaction, condensation of carbon dioxide with 5 carbon acceptor ribulose, that is the 1,5 bisphosphate, to form two molecule of 3 phosphoglycerate. In second stage, the 3 phosphoglycerate is reduced to triose phosphate. Overall, 3 molecules of carbon dioxide are fixed to 3 molecules of ribulose, 1,5-bisphosphate, to form the 6 molecule of ribulose, the ricylaldehyde, 3-phosphate, and DHAP. In third stage, 5 of 6 molecules of triose phosphate are used to regenerate 3 molecules of ribulose, 1,5-bisphosphate, the starting material. Photorespiration. Photosynthetic cell produce oxygen during the light driven reaction and use carbon dioxide during the light independent processes. So the net gaseous change during the photosynthesis is the uptake of carbon dioxide and release O2. That the reaction is carbon dioxide in cooperate with water gives oxygen and CH2O. In dark plants also carry out mitochondrial respiration, the oxidation of substrate to carbon dioxide and conversion of oxygen to water. And there is another process in plants that, like mitochondrial respiration, consumes oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, and like photosynthesis, it is driven by the light. This process is called as photorespiration. The glycolate pathway, that is C2 carbon 2, converts two molecules of 2-phosphoglycerol to molecule of serine and molecule of carbon dioxide. In chloroplast, a photophosphate converts to photophospoglycorate to glycolate, which exported to peroxisome. The glycolate is oxidized by molecular oxygen and resulting aldehyde formed as a side product to glycolate oxidation. The combined activity of ribosco oxygenase and glycolate salvage pathway consume oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, hence name photorespiration. This pathway is perhaps better called oxidative photosynthesis carbon cycle or C2 cycle. In many plants that grow in tropic mechanism has involved to circumvent, that is to lower the problem of wasteful photorespiration, the step in which the carbon dioxide is fixed into the 3 carbon product 3 phosphoglycerate is proceeded by several steps, one of which is temporary fixation of carbon dioxide into 4 carbon compound. Plant which uses this process are called as the C4 plants. The C4 plants, which typically grow at high light intensity and high temperature, have several important characters: high photosynthetic rate, high growth, low phosphorespiration. Photosynthesis in leaves of C4 plant involves two cell type, mesophyll and bundle sheet. We can see in the reaction carbon dioxide is taken from the air or from the environment is undergoes with the PEP in which the enzyme used as PEP carboxylase gives up the reaction, that is 3C4 carbon compound oxaloacetate which undergoes with enzyme NADPH to form the malate, which goes in the bundle sheet, and from in bundle sheet the carbon dioxide is given up for next process, and malate converts into pyruvate. This pyruvate goes from bundle sheet to mesophyll cell and forms the PEP. Again, the reaction, the cycle continues. The PEP taken up takes up the carbon dioxide and forms oxaloacetate.